Hi again. So last class we have discussed about the how to find out the three unknown variable in a pair of a linear equation in two variable. So in this session we will discuss the word problem, how to calculate the word problem, the population of a town here given. The population of a town is 25,000. The present population of a town, example is here given 25,000. If in the next year the number of male were to increases by the 5%. Next one sentence I will repeating here. If in the next years the number of male were to increase by 5% and that of the female by 3%, the population would be grown to the 26,010. So find the number of male and female in the town at present. So at present total population is given 25,000. If in the next year the number of male will increase by the 5% and that of female is increased by the 3%, so the population would be grow. Suppose if it is increased my male, that is 5%, and female is increased by 3%, means the total number of population would be grow. This is a future, that is 26,010. So we have to find out the number of male and female in the town at present. So we have to find out at present how much population is there, male and female. So if you know how to solve this problem, means you can solve with me and you have to verify your answer with my answer. So let us, if you don't know, let us watch how to solve the x and y, or how to solve the male population and female population. So let us discuss how to calculate male population and female population. So first one we have to consider here, what you have to find out? Find the number of male and female in the term at present. So at present how much male and how much female are there, we don't know. That's why I have to consider here. Let the number of male be the x. So you don't know how much male peoples are there and how much female peoples are there in a term. That's what it is. Let the number of male be the x. Next one, let the number of female be the y. Or you can write correct form, that is, let the number of male in a term at present equal to x. And second one sentence you can write properly. Let the number of female in the term at present, that is equal to y. Or you can write let the number of male equal to x and let the number of female equal to y. Suppose you want to write the correct formation of word, you can write here. Let the number of male in the term at present is x. Let the number of female in the term at present is y. So first one condition is given here. The population of a town is 25,000. At present it is 25,000 is given. That's why I have to write total number of male is x. Here number of female is y. So according to the condition, according to the first one condition. According to the first one condition is here given. The population of a town is 25,000. So it includes male and female both. So that's how I have to take here x plus y equal to 25,000. This is equation number 1. First one is equation number 1. Male plus female equal to 25,000. But now here given next one sentence is given. If in the next year the number of male were increased by 5%, if in the next year male population If in the next year male population is increased by 5%. So if in the next year, if in the next year male population is increased by the 5%, so present population is how much? We consider here x. So that's what we take here, equal to x plus. So x plus how much increased? 5% of the present population. So 5% means this one is 5% of x. So see here, now if in the next year male population is increased by the 5%, so that's why we have to take here present population is, that is x plus increased. How much increased? 5%. That's why we take 5% of x. Now you can simplify, means we get, so 5% you have to write here 5 by 100, that is x. LCM means it become 100 x. Sorry, so I will write here. You have to simplify, means here nothing means 1. LCM is how much? 100. So cross multiplication means we get 100 into x, 100x plus 5x. Total is how much? 100 into 100 plus 5, 105x divided by 100. Next you can simplify here. 5 to the 10, that is 0 keep as it is. 5 to the 5 1. So 21x divided by 20. So suppose it is increased by the 5% of a male, means we will get 21x divided by 20. So similarly you can find out the, if in the next year female population is increased by how much here given? 3%. So that's why I write here, if in the next year if in the next year female population increased by 3%. So if next year the female percentage or female population is increased by the 3% means, so it is equal to, you can write, so female percentage or female population we consider here y. So that's why I will take here, this is a present population y. Increased means you have to add. How much you have to add? 3% of y. Now you have to simplify, means we get y, 3% can write 3 divided by 100 into y. Here that means 1. Next you have to take here LCM. LCM is 100 into 1, 100 cross multiplication, 100y plus 3 into y, 3y. Now we have to add 100y plus 3y, that is 103. 103 divided by 100. So this one, this 21x divided by 20 is the increased population of a male, that is 5%. So this is 103y divided by 100. This is the increased population of a female after 1 year. This is 103y divided by 100. So now we have to write according to the condition. Condition is given here. So that female is 3% and the population would be grow to the 26010, 26,010. So first one, present population is how much? X plus y, male plus female equal to 25,000. Suppose after 1 year male population is increased by the 5%. So present population plus increased population means we have to simplify, means we will get 21x divided by 20. This is a male population increased in 1 year, that is 5%. So similarly we have to find out if next year the female population is increased by the 3%, that is present population of female, that is y we consider here, plus how much increased? 3% of present population, that is 3% into y. So y plus 3%, 3 divided by 100 into y. Suppose you have to simplify, means you will get 100 is the LCM, cross multiplication 100 into y, 100y plus 3y. Addition means you will get 100 03 or 103y divided by 100. This is a female population. So next you have to write according to the condition. Second one condition is given here. Suppose it is increased 5% in male and 3% in female, means the total population is grow how much? 26,010. That's why I have to write here 21x divided by 100 plus 103 divided by 100. Sorry, this one is, you can write here simplified means you will get 20. That's why I have to write here 20. So 21x divided by 20 plus 103 divided by 103y divided by 100 equal to total population is given 26,010. So this is after next 1 year the population is increased by 5% after male, and this is after next year, after 1 year the female population is increased by the 3%. You have to simplify means you will get. So sum of these two equal to the total population which will grow in a town, that is 26,010. So this one is equation number 2. This is the equation number 1 and this one is equation number 2. So let us see how to find out x and y, that is number of male and number of female in a town at present. So this is equation 1, this is the equation number 2. Suppose you have to simplify means you will get here 100 is the LCM, 20 how is the 100, 25 is the 100, this 100 keep as it is. So 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. 105 plus 103, this is x, this is y, equal to 26010. Now simplify means 105x plus 103y equal to 26010. This is divide means it become multiplication, that is 100. So 105x 103y equal to 26010. This 20 keep as. So now this is a simplified form and this one is already given equation 1 and 2. Now comparing equation 1 and 3, or you can write here 3. Now you can compare the equation 1 and 3, means you will get x or y value. So let us see here how to find out. Now comparing equation 1 and 3. Equation 1 and 3 we have to solve, means we will get, that is 1 is x plus y equal to 2500. Equation third is 105x 103y equal to 2601000. See here, the here coefficient of x is 105, here coefficient of y is 103, here coefficient is x 1, here coefficient of y is 1. Suppose you want to eliminate the x term, means you have to multiply to this equation is 105. Suppose you want to eliminate the y term, means this equation you have to multiply with 103, because the coefficient of y and y must be equal. Suppose you want to eliminate the x term, means the coefficient of x and x must be equal. So that's why you have to decide which one term you want to eliminate. Suppose this completed means you have to write in your classwork. And if you not getting any, suppose you have any doubt, means you have to pause the video and watch. So now this step I am writing here. Let us see. Next step is next one step, that is elimination method. Here given 105, this is also only x is given. That's why I have to multiply here. That is 105. 105 into x. 105x plus y into 105, 105y equal to 105 into 25. So 105 into 25. So answer is 5 5 is 25. Carry 2 5 1 0 0 2 5 1 0. 2 5 is 10. Carry 1 2 0 0 1 2 1 2. So 2625. So 2625. So remaining 30 keep as it is. Remaining this one 30. Next one, suppose 105 to 5000. So those who have the abacus knowledge, they will do the easily. So once again, it is easy for those students who completed the abacus. So it is a little bit difficult to find the multiplication of 105 and 25 to 2055. So let us discuss here how to find out. This one is 105x plus 103 y equal to 2601 000. Next you have to take here elimination method, means you will get here 105x is also 105x plus 105y plus 103y equal to 2625 000 2601 000. So just you have to change the sign. 105x get cancelled. Here 105, here 103, means we will get 2y. Next one is 2625 000, here 2601 000. So 0 minus 0, 0. This is also 0. Next, this is 0. 5 minus 1 is 4. This is 2, 0, 0. So 2, 4, 0, 0 will get. So next step, y equal to 2, 4, 000 into means become divided. So y equal to 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 000. So y means this is a present population of a female in a town at a present, that is 12,000. Next you have to find out what is the population of a male in a town at a present, means we will get put y equal to 12,000 in equation number 1 or 2. Equation number 1 you have to take because it is very easy to simplify, that is x plus y equal to 25% is given first only. So that's why I have to substitute in equation number 1, means you will get the x value. First one the equation you have to write. First one the equation I am writing here. First one the equation is x plus y equal to 25,000. Here x plus y equal to 25,000. So y equal to how much you got? 12,000. Just have to substitute. X plus y value is 12,000, 25,000. Next, x equal to 25,000 plus means become minus 12,000. So x equal to, see here this 3030 get cancelled. So 5 minus 2 is 3. Next 2 minus 1 is 1. Or you can write here 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0. So 25 minus 12 is 13. So this is the x value. And last one sentence you have to write compulsory. Therefore, the present population the present population in a, or you can write the present population of male in town equal to how much? 13,000. Next one you have to write here. Similarly, the present population of female in town equal to, that is 12,000. So suppose you have to verify your answer, means it is very easy to conclude that your answer is right or wrong. So this is 13 and this is 12,000. So add means we will get that is 25,000 only. So this is the way we have to find out. First you have to convert the given problem, board problem into pair of a linear equation into variable. Next you have to use the elimination method or cross multiplication method or substitution method, and you have to find out the x and y value. And lastly you have to write here the sentence what they given or what they asked. So that you have to write the present population of the male is in a town is, that is 13,000. and the present population of a female in a town is, that is 12,000. This sentence is must and should have to write. First, it is very important, the word problem you have to convert it to in a pair of a linear equation in 2 variables. The formation is very important. So thank you. Next session we will discuss more problem related to the word. Have a nice day.